Well, hello and welcome to this latest video. In this video we're going to look at installing Atom. Now, what is Atom? Atom is a text editor. That's what it is. But this is a text editor on steroids, you could say, because it can be extended with plugins and made to be a virtual IDE. It takes quite a bit to make it into a full IDE, but it can be done. Okay, so let's have a look at Atom. So first of all, when you go onto the Atom website, which is atom.io, it will notice which type of operating system you're on, and it will give you suggested downloads. Okay, there's also lots of information on how it works. So as we're using Linux Mint, which is an Ubuntu style, we want the DEB package. Now there's two ways you could install, well, there's more than two ways, but there's two ways I'm going to show you. You can either download the DEB package, which is what I'm actually going to do. So while that's downloading, we'll have a look at the other way. And if you click on Menu and then on the Software Manager, you can do a search for Atom. As you can see, it comes up here. If you click on it, you'll see that we get the Atom installer, and we can actually install it from here. Now, the reason I'm not doing that, and you'll notice it is actually Atom 1.30, Atom 1.30, is that quite often in the software manager they've disabled certain parts of it, okay, so that it won't break Linux Mint if there's an upgrade. So I'm actually going to take it from the deb package. Now that's downloaded, so all we need to do now is go into File Manager. I'll close that. We'll go into File Manager, Nemo, and okay, come to Downloads, and there's the Atom package. Okay, so if you double click on it, the package installer will open. Okay, it checks the dependency. You can find out information about the package itself, and I'm just going to click on Install Package, and this will take a moment or two and it will install Atom. Okay, once it's installed, what you actually see is it says reinstall package and same version is already installed, which isn't really intuitive to tell you that the item's installed, but when you get those messages, it's installed. Okay, so we now have Atom on our system, and if we click on Programming and we click on Atom, there we have it. Atom is now fully installed on the system. The next thing we need to do is we need to add some plugins, and we need to look at the themes and this type of thing, which we will do in the next video. So as always, please don't forget to like and subscribe. My name's John, and I'll see you next time.